Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking.
Probably gonna get decredited for this, but that's fine. But it's race day. Race day, Steve.
It's race day. And I stole my kid's sucker.
Yep, everything's loaded. It's what, about 11 o'clock in the morning. We wanted to leave the house between 10 and 10:30. We kind of accomplished that, but we're on the road. Trailer back there, she's loaded down, ready to rock and roll. Got about 2.5 hours, 2.5?
Roughly 2.5. We're
2.5.
an hour too, so it'll be 3.5 technically.
Yeah, no. That nobody talks time travel, Steve.
I do, because I'm a big fly guy. I've actually never seen Back to the Future.
I know. Fun fact, Steve, any movie you can think of, he's never seen it. Hey, you can't. He doesn't do movies.
I've been very slowly marking them off the list.
Very slowly.
2 a year.
Second fun fact. A lot of you don't know Steve. Steve is a very accomplished bowler. Loves bowling. How many 300 games? 800 or how many? Yeah.
Four 300s and 2 800s.
Bowled for like his forever. How many years?
When we quit racing go-karts, that was my dad's way of filling the
Yeah. And he loves CCR. Loves Creedence Clearwater Revival.
All-time favorite.
Has never seen The Big Lebowski.
No. My buddy Jason, Bada Bean Detailing, literally, it still blows his mind every time that I say that I've never seen the movie. He knows I've never seen it, but it blows his mind that much where it's like new news to him every time.
But fun fact, if there's a movie that you think Steve should see, we'll see. We'll go through them. Post it down below. Send me a message. We'll go through them on a upcoming video and see if Steve's ever seen them. I mean, just think of them. Like the most famous movies. Forrest Gump. You ever seen Forrest Gump?
Seen it for the first time about 4 years ago.
See?
Fun fact. What's Bubba? That's his name, right? The shrimp guy?
Yeah, Bubba.
On his gravestone, we have the same birthday.
No shit.
Yeah.
And didn't see the movie until he was almost 30.
Yeah, 26. 27.
But we're on the highway. We're gonna get down this road and hopefully make it to Brownstown with no issues. And if you guys are there, we'll see you there. Hopefully pull some highlights from the broadcast of Dirt 2 Media and finish up this video. Wish us luck. Hopefully we have a good night. But thanks for hanging out.
Until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
So say hi to YouTube.
You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot, only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
What's up, guys?
I can't even tell what I'm doing. Are we live?
Yeah. No.
Oh, okay.
No, we're not
I was
live.
like, please don't be live.
She thinks we're live. It's for YouTube, but it's fine. It should be on there. Say hi, Allison. If you don't know, this bare walls of dirt tracks. You want some church? You want some shit to put in your house? She's the one you need to call. But we just got done with hot laps. Steve, how was hot laps?
Good. Fun track. I've never been here before. Fun track. It's fast. I like fast. I like it.
It was eventful.
It was eventful. It was. I got to run 2 corners at a time because cautions.
He got smoke screened. It was like a military exercise out there.
Yeah, first race back, I got everything in front of me in 3 laps.
three hot laps. But we qualified, we believe, 9th.
Yeah.
Starting on
to be determined. Pretty sure 9th.
Yeah, TBD. I'm sure we'll find it, but starting on the pole in the second heat. Let's get it.
I'm ready.
Good job, buddy.
sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? from
here
the
to the Important Walls Midwest
enemy.
Mini Sprint featuring
You're a
me.
superhero. You're a superhero.